Hello, thank you for joining me. I am going to cover exercise on page 203 of the book, The Science of Movement, Exercise, and Mental Health. I'm going to show this two ways. The first is you're going to start in a tall kneeling position. Take your hands to your legs. Slide your hands down till they come to the floor. Walk your hands forward. Come onto your stomach. Push yourself back. Walk yourself back. Hands come back to your legs. Come back up to a tall kneeling position. So again, I'm sliding, I'm walking, I'm lowering, I'm pressing back, and I'm walking away. Option two is come into a standing position and do the exact same thing. You could do this a number of ways. You're going to slide your hands down. I could slide my hands down, knees could come to the floor. I could come up this way, right? I could also slide down, not bring my knees to the floor. But then I could push back up that way. Play with it, see how it feels, give it a try, see how it goes.